What is going on YouTube? Hater back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we have to talk about XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, as well as the S&P 500. So guys, over the weekend, we saw some very interesting things happen, pretty much exactly what we were expecting over the past couple of days. I just want to show you super quick what we have here. As you guys can see, the past couple of days, we've pretty much had consolidation. I've made a few videos basically hinting and referring to what's going to happen this week as we start off this week today on Monday here. You can see the past couple of days, we've been talking about where this major resistance was, how we were inside a descending fractal here, and we've hit the tops, and we're most likely going to correct down. There's been tons of signals flashing before our eyes that are screaming correction to the downside here. But the past couple of days, I'd say the past 2 days, and now starting off today, we've pretty much just been trading sideways, which is expected, anticipated, and we know that very much so, because the stock market is usually closed on a weekend, and we've been seeing a direct correlation, coincidentally, with the stock market and cryptocurrency. When the stock market is closed on the weekend here, we see very little movement and volatility within the within cryptocurrency as a whole on the weekends as well. And we're starting to see that today. So you can see here we are trending sideways right now for XRP over the past 2 days over the weekend here. Ethereum is doing the exact same thing the past couple of days, trading sideways as expected because the stock market is closed. There you go, catching on. And now we have, Bitcoin on its daily after breaking bearish from a beautiful descending or drop right here. We had an ascending triangle, fractal here. We broke bearish, and now we're trending sideways as well. Why? Well, because the stock market is closed. Well, today, the stock market is going to open up in about 10 minutes from making this video here. Probably obviously by the time you see this video, the stock market will be open here. But we've also confirmed on numerous occasions why we expect to see a drop happen very soon within the stock market too, and continued correction as the stock market opens up today. And that's going to, unfortunately, kind of dribble down into whatever that word is. I don't know, drip down into cryptocurrency too, and we will see the markets affected moving forward here. But that's pretty much what we're going to be talking about today. I'm very strong I do have a strong opinion and belief that we are going to be seeing bearish reversals here, and we are going to start to see markets start to swing to the downside. And you guys need to be paying attention to that because I think it is coming, and I think it's going to be coming very quickly. Now, moving forward, that's pretty much going to be it. We are going to be covering these cryptos as well as the stock market and our trades. Definitely make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's dive into today's episode. Super quick, guys, just want to update you on my second channel. As you guys can see, dropped a new video 3 days ago in regards to I found a way to get endless energy, which is super cool. Make sure to check it out. But also my video I made a couple of days ago, about a week ago, how rebuilding supercars made him a millionaire, is absolutely blowing up, and it's incredible. 11K views in 10 days. It's literally blowing this channel up, which is very exciting here. You can see we're already over 1,000 subs, and we're very close to being monetized, so I'll definitely share the news with you when that happens. But I just wanted to update you guys about that because I like sharing the information. We've been doing it for a couple months now, and here we are really starting to pop off. So very exciting that that's happening. Otherwise, happy Hanukkah today. Thank you for the reminder, CoinMarketCap. You can see here, happy Hanukkah to everybody out there. Now, moving forward into the markets here, you can see since the markets closed over the weekend here, we've been stagnant, trading sideways in every cryptocurrency here. BNB, XRP, Doge, Cardano, Matic, Polkadot, pretty much everything, Litecoin, Solana, Uniswap, AVAX has been flatlined out, trending sideways, and I believe that has everything to do with the stock market not being open today. Now, I am a strong believer now we are going to start to see reversals, and I think we're going to start to see this market slide to the downside this week because of the S&P 500. You can see we just broke a very vital support here on the S&P 500. Last time we were here, you can see why it was such a vital support. We bounced off of it. Here we are breaking through it on Friday. You can see here, typically when we break through this, we fall, and we don't really have much support inside of here. So we're either going to fall to the bottom or top, and we trend in here. You can see before we broke through this, and we fell even lower here. So the fact that we've now confirmed closing a candle on Friday below this major support here, I don't think there's anything stopping us from falling back down to bottom support at 37. So I think very easily this week, we're going to see a slide down to 3,700, and maybe by next week, we could see 3,500 being retested. But I can almost guarantee, and I have a big belief in the fact that we're going to see 3,700 points being retested right now. I believe this is going to be first target, and then I think second target is going to be right around here, and then hopefully we do not go this low. Fingers crossed we do not go this low. I just want to show you what I have in store and where I think crypto and the stock market is going to be. As you know, the next halving comes end of 2024 for Bitcoin here, and I think it's in line with the market so very perfectly, the stock market here. So I'm a strong believer that we are going to see this happen. I'm just going to draw it nicely here, something along the lines of this, and then we float up, or we're going to see a really bad drop and we're going to fall down to the bottom support here, and then we're going to see a recovery. Regardless, you can see this ends practically near all-time highs, and we're at September of 2024. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September. So towards the end, 9 months into 2024. So I think the end of 2024 into 2025, we should start to see the next pump within cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, XRP, Ethereum, as well as the stock market. But obviously, before that, we can easily start to see some positive movements here. I just don't think we're at the bottom just yet. A lot of people do. I don't think it's there just yet. I very strongly believe the stock market is due to pull lower, either 35 or to 3,200 points. Unfortunately, I do not want to see it happen, but I do have a little thought that that's where we're going to be moving to. But this original drop that we're going to see this week is most definitely going to 3,700 points, and I believe strongly that this is going to pull Bitcoin down to 16 or 15.5, Ethereum down to $1,000. And I think it's going to pull XRP down to 30 cents here. And that's pretty much what I'm kind of inferring moving forward here. You can see we are in a trade on XRP because we discussed the closure of the weekly candle here. You can see on XRP, we've been trading and kind of following XRP for a long time. We haven't entered a trade on XRP in a very, very long time. But you can see where we hit resistance and where we tend to kind of fall is every single time we retest this purple resistance up here. Every single time we get into a scuttle with this resistance here, we break bearish every single time. It's either wicking above or we just retest it and break downwards here. But here we were again, and we discussed the only time we'd be buying into long XRP, to long it to the upside, is if we can break through this major resistance. Had we have closed last week or yesterday above, maybe at 40 cents here, honestly, we could have closed at 38 cents. Anywhere just above this major resistance, I would have put my money in for a long position up to 80 cents. That is not what happened here. So what that means is there's a much bigger chance now that we are going to skew to the downside here. And because we closed the weekly last time getting rejected yet again off this resistance, it is much easier to fall down to 30 cents. And when that happens here, we're going to be shorting because we already entered a trade here because we closed Sunday and we said we're going to wait for the weekly candle to confirm, because we closed below the resistance here on XRP below like 36 cents here, just below this purple downtrend here. That gave us enough reason to buy in for a long position on Bityard. For those unfamiliar with Bityard, it is the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange that I like to use here on the channel. Buy long, sell short, leverage trade, stop losses, take profits. They offer a demo account that gives you $100,000 in free Monopoly money to test your skills. Doesn't change anything on the website. And they have XRP, which is where we trade XRP. Not many exchanges offer that too. The best part is if you sign up with the link in the description and click mystery box, you can earn some free cryptocurrency. The best part is they're integrated with TradingView here, and it's even cooler. I don't know. It's just the fact that you can trade on here. But what I'm starting to notice right now is that on Bitcoin, we're seeing stagnation yet again, sideways trading. As we know, this is causing uncertainty. The last time we saw this, we had an immediate dump to the downside here. So with this uncertainty again, trending sideways, this means we are going to see a pop very soon. And I think we've been waiting patiently for the stock market to open. And once we do, by the end of today, we are going to see pulls to the downside here. Maybe not all the way down to 1,000 just that quick, but definitely correction to the downside will be taking over most of these major cryptocurrencies. I'm not a betting man, but conservatively, this is what we've been waiting for. I am a strong believer now that we are going to start to see the market slide down. S&P is due to hit 3,700 points. This is going to be a correction of about 3%, which isn't much. Bitcoin, I can easily see pulling down to maybe in the 15.6 to 15.8 or $15,600 to $16,000 range. Ethereum down to $1,000 and XRP down to 30 cents, about average here. And then we'll see where the markets decide to take us after that. But that's pretty much it. I'm a strong believer that we are bearish right now. We do have a short opened on XRP. But that's pretty much going to wrap up today's video. Make sure to check out Bityard, my second channel, and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace.